Hi! In front of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then install this free app from this developer. Now you need to open it, click Enable in Settings, and tap on the switcher next to Gboard. Now tap on OK and click on Select Input Method. Now you need to choose Yes or Forbid if you want to receive notifications from Gboard. I don't want to, so I will go with Forbid and tap on Select Input Method. Then click on Gboard over here, tap on Done, and finally choose Text Correction. Now scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!